YouTube fam, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Don914 here to bring you another review. Sorry I've been missing for the week. Man, work got busy this week, so I wasn't able to record, but nevertheless, I got videos coming for you all weekend long. So I got some bangers coming up, some Black Friday GOAT dubs that I want to show you. And yeah, we're gonna be pumping these videos all weekend long, so stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and sub up to the channel, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do drop a new video. And also follow me on Instagram, Don1914, TikTok, Don1914, X, formerly known as Twitter, Don1914. All my handles, social media handles are the same. Go ahead and give me a follow so you can be up to date on what I got coming, or if you're into fits and kicks, you're in the right place. So this one right here, I hit this on the sneakers app. This was a special dub because it's not really a sneaker, it's actually a cleat. So we go ahead and unbox these. I was thirsty to see these. I didn't really pull them out the box until now. And I hit on the Kobe Grinches, the cleats. And I really wanted to see what these look like in hand. So this is gonna be a one take Jake type of review. Nothing too crazy because they're cleats. And I thought about putting them on feet for this review, and my brother advised against it. He was like, "Nah, don't do that. I don't think I would advise you putting those on feet." I used to be a good football player, man. Just one thing I regret is I stuck with basketball. I was an excellent basketball player. Don't get me wrong, but I'm about 5'9", 5'9" and a half, and I was extremely gifted at football. So my coach tried to get me to stay with football, but I quit like after my sophomore year, man. I wish I would have stayed with football, man. I probably would have made it in football, given my height, over basketball, but it is what it is. With all that being said, if I had these on feet during that time, I'd have been a standout. So let's get into it. Without further ado, let's get into review the Nike Kobe Grinch cleats. Alright, so let's get right into the review. So the box, if you see the box, you got your Kobe symbol. Of course, that all blacked out Kobe box with the snake prints and snake scales all over it. Nothing around the side of the boxes. Basically on the bottom, you got your Nike branding. But you do see the size of the tag is on this side with the Nike swoosh. So let me bring that in so you can see that. There we go. And the size of the tag does read Vapor Edge Kobe 6. Green apple, black bolt crimson. Pop the lid open. Nothing on the top of the box. It does come in one sheet of white paper. Bring the cleats out. I almost said the sneaks. And let's see what else we got inside this box. Okay, that's unique. Okay, you got your box dimensions right there. But then if you see there, you got these extra paddings right there inside the box, and that's on both sides. And I think that's to protect the box and protect the cleats from tearing the box up, things of that nature. So that's enough of the box. Now let's get into the kicks. And here you have them. The Nike Kobe, is it Vapor Edge Kobe Grinches. Tell me what you think about them right off the bat. I will say this, they are definitely slender and they definitely super light. So I understand why that box was so small that they came in. Super light, and man, I haven't held the cleats in so long, man. I mean, this is bringing back so many memories. So let's get right into it. So of course, we'll start with that, the outsole, I guess. So of course you got your outsole, you got your red Nike swoosh right there on the outsole, all apple green outsole. You got your spikes right here. Of course, on the bottom of the cleats, you got a black Nike swoosh right there on the side of the, I don't know if you can see that right here, but yeah, the camera's bringing it in. Yeah, you got a Nike swoosh right there on the side of the spike right there. These are plastic spikes, nothing metal. And then as we move to the upper of the shoe, of course, you got the apple green, that you got that Kobe signature right there on the back of the heel. Black Nike swoosh, all green, apple green upper with the snake scales on the upper of the shoe. You got that Kobe symbol right there in front of the tongue. And that's the Mamba logo. It's dope, man. These are dope, and you got that netting. It's the tongue is like the netting material. That's pretty much it. I mean, the medial side, same as the lateral side. Black swoosh. Inside the shoe, they gave us shoe paper, not shoe trees. Nothing on back of the tongue, but if we do open it up, you got that molds to my foot and the 24 for Kobe. And the inside, if you can see that, the insole of the shoe. That's consistent with the Kobe Grinches, the actual Protro 6. And that's pretty much it. In the sock liner, you got that like neoprene sock liner, kind of silky, in the apple green as well. So all in all, man, these are dope, man. These are dope. And this is, and on the left shoe, it does come with extra red laces, just like the Kobe Protro came, which I think is dope for a cleat that comes with those extra laces. And then on the inside of this one, let me see here, does it say anything different? It looks like it does. I want to shoe that molds. I guess I want to shoe that molds to my feet. And then they got the KB on the insole of this shoe. And you can see the KB with that writing. So I think these are dope, man. Listen, if you got, if you're playing football, if you're watching this, you're in high school, whatever, grade school, you're playing football, you want a cleat that'll stand out. Maybe your season is over. You're looking at next season. These are fire. This right here is a surefire way to get yourself noticed on the field. These will stand out like a sore thumb and fire. So, hey, you heard what Dion said. Look good, play good, pay good, feel good, right? Always gotta have them clean feet when you're doing any type of sport and activity, in my humble opinion. If you wanna see more of Nike changing some of our iconic sneakers into cleats going forward, I mean, the football players right now do get them custom made. Nike do send them special shoes that were sneakers made into cleats. The one that I think that comes to mind right now is the Deion Sanders recent release that they changed the cleats for his Colorado team. And I see a lot of NFL players wearing them. I've seen a lot of NFL players with these on the field for Thanksgiving. So yeah, these are fire, man. I like these a lot. So like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and share the channel. And remember, stay tuned because I'm dropping bangers all weekend long. Got the Black Friday releases that I hit on the GOAT app. So I'm gonna go ahead and be throwing a fit on with the Travis Scott Jumpman Jacks and bringing that review to you very shortly here. So stay tuned. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop that. So with that being said, until the next drop, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rachmaninoff.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone.